This is the final after glazing. Today is the Wednesday morning. Porcelain fused metal cases. And apply with the dentine with the frame design, which is open bite. But probably Kahng will get the prison contact. Alright. Create a tooth form and contour from the gingiva to all the way incisor. Okay, then we cut back. For enamel, see this. Alright. Here. Lateral, the way up. Okay. Here's another lateral. Okay, we can show you the after that. After a little bit more add here, cut it back the top, and then I apply with the enamel dentin. Enamel only. Alright. The cervical are using the more dentin. This is the B1, this is the B3. So we made the good gingiva contour along with the color with the separations. Same thing here. 이거 반티가 나폴리. This is the first bake. Just wanna go to more separated all the way. Okay. Okay, so this is the second build-up, almost final. The positioning about the tooth between the lateral, central, canine. Just utilize a little bit more effort. And once I set up the exact amount of the dentine and enamel tooth contour like this, then I don't grind it that much. Instead of the build a lot, the bigger. See, I can get a 3-dimensional already. To get a little bit bigger, I can add slightly in between the teeth and the lateral and canines. Maybe slightly bigger than the other side, like this. Right? So it's lateral, I can get central. Just a little bit step down. I don't have to make the same exactly. Same level. Okay. The same thing, pretty much same concept, kind of contour between tooths. Right here. You see height of contour. It's good. Here just a little bit more. The lateral. Same thing. This lateral trying to match with the other adjacent teeth. So make slightly out slightly overlap. This is more natural looking. And then I set up the incisor edge of the tooth at this time. And then repositioning about the canine from here, height of contours, and move it. And then I have a room for here, and you can drop down for the occlusion. So that occlusion could be canine guide, like this. Okay. Then I like the shape and contour between the tools. Then I have to take it out, and then I can put a little bit more. The lingual, same thing, is make the lingual contour shape before I go to the final. Okay, so it looks like tooth. Yeah, same things, I can make the individual looking between the tooth for the tongues. Correct. So now I just cut it and then ready to bake. So this was what it looked like after took it out give them a little bit of water, and then I put just a little bit 2 tones higher, which is B3, and then I finalize it, and then cervical area, which is already done. Okay, then I don't have to put too much. So here is the A1. Okay, I'm sorry, B1. And also here I don't have to put too much into proximal contact, just a little bit. Same thing, let's put the enamel overlay, and then you can get the contour lingual. Okay, one right here. Okay, don't show them the opaque, because opaque has more high value, and also stuck with the foot, never took it out. Okay, that's it. Now I just add a little bit about each individual single room. So created the one right here, one there. So which is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I set up. I said I don't have to be really fancy, just top of the enamel. Add it. Okay, so this side is good with the room here. And now that side is good too. Now it's ready to fire. Okay, 4 unit. See the here. Just make sure the nice gum design. You can put the pink here, but this case is not necessary. So I add just a little bit, 2 tone darker than regular dentine. All right. Okay, so after fire, second time build up. Check the proximal contact, and then I draw the picture, which is the necklace cover design for the size of that. they look like individual piece. In order to do that, so I have to make the good segmentation between the piece. Just to move slowly. It's not high speed, it's a low speed. And making the separation between the piece. Like this. And also I like the height of contour here. Make here drop down the piece. Same slightly differently. I like the inside here edge. Looks good. Moving more. Create it. Just like that. Make bigger. Now getting to see the shape and contour of the whole image. Just like the same thing. Not like the same thing. This is the occluding view, because you can see exactly the tooth contour along the gingiva border inside there. I cannot touch the sagittal table yet. Will do. The main goal is the making more individuation. Here. And with the separation, you can use a sort of border. And with the end line, okay. And I agree. But the relay with the lingo is spoken as a important tool. It's not used here. So let's make a little bit more chunky. Here the convex. Then relay with the sagittal edge. Thickness. Not going to make the skin. Because of the skin situation. However, that one does not create the issue for the aesthetics. Alright? So that one is the almost done. Now I utilize with my see the color, everything. So now finally I use the diamond color to make it a little more defined for the tool. So after I put the tissue, just make sure the whole convex heating like that. It's good. This finishes 4 unit Kahng. That's a ceramic. Very good tissue pinching. This nice aesthetic dough, the finer. Okay, so this is small, trying to make convex at the highest aesthetics. Okay, especially linger, they worry about the linger. It's good. Aesthetic. Like here. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Okay, base color is B1. This is the finer after the glazing. You see the detail of the contour tools. Just make more little glossy B1 basically. Then we just design about the tissue contour, everything. About 60 unit, 2 unit with a porcelain fused metal, the 4 unit with a long neck enough. Custom abutment. Finish the restorations like that. This is limber contour, which is patient really concerned, and that one is final. And also we give to them the verification tape here on top so they can verify.